Pakistan only used 5 bowlers. Santhalat, who's played as an all-rounder, he bowls a medium pace. Maybe him coming in for an over or so. Just purely because not many have seen him bowl.
Change of pace to start off by Mushraf, also in his last over. He's done a pretty good job. 3.1, 1 for 21.
Well, the Pacers have done pretty well, especially when the ball got a little older and the change of pace coming pretty good. That's the reason I'm saying Santhalat might be the man to just maybe bowl 1 over, because spinners, it's pretty easy to handle.
Oh, that's swung away for 6. Got into a great position there, Tilak Varma.
Yeah, great pivot. The ball was little short, but how quickly he just got under it, and he meant to hit 6. He never ever thought of keeping the ball down on the ground. Quick bat speed, great hand speeds, and look how quickly it went to the boundary.
Lovely strike there. This is good cricket. He's quick between the wickets. Another player who has a good strike rate. We talked about Abhishek Sharma, 198, Tilak Varma, 160. Make a big difference in that top order for India. You know what he can do when in full flow. Hardik Pandya. Very strong batting lineup with depth. Akshar Patel still to come.
There's not much room for players who take their time when they go in the middle now. The game has changed so much over the years. I still remember when T20 first arrived, and teams always pick 1 or 2 players who can just hang around and make sure that you just save one end, just protect one end. Not anymore. Teams are picking players who have a strike rate of 150, 160, even more. And I think for India, IPL has done a great to the Indian side. They've just served them really, really well to produce such a good players who are strike rates are amazing. And even the bowlers, they know exactly in T20 cricket how to bowl.
They get the exposure under pressure in front of big crowds. And good running, very good running. You mentioned IPL. It's about temperament, rubbing shoulders with a lot of international players. But they're not overawed by the big occasion. It shows in their game. You look at this Indian lineup. Each one of them is a stroke maker, a shot maker. Shivam Dubey still to come. Akshar Patel still to come. So 10 of the over. It's 163 for 4, 9 needed. Little expensive Shaheen Shah Afridi in his first 3 overs, 29.
Coming to ball the 19th over when he pick up a wicket. Good start. I thought he bowled really well in the previous game, but today was a little expensive. It was a great start from Abhishek, the way he set the tone from the word go. First delivery, this was a slow delivery, right in the block hole. First delivery from Shaheen. That bouncer, it wasn't a bad bouncer. It's just a commitment and the mindset of this youngster, Abhishek. He takes on the bowlers from the word go, from the very first delivery. He put them under pressure. And he always, show his appearance, show his presence on the pitch from the word go. I think that's amazing. Have a look at the first ball he's faced of Shaheen Shah Afridi. Went deep in the crease, long handle from the word go, and look at that. Especially with fine leg inside the circle, this was not at all a risky shot. What a shot.
Sliced away, he'll get only a single. His great strength is his anticipation also. He likes to outthink the bowler. Could see with that first ball 6 also the footwork. How he moved back in his crease early as if expecting it. This is another player who can be extremely effective. He's got a good head on his shoulders. He's a thinking cricketer.
Ravi, normally an opening batter, they always search for that. They're always looking for that good length area. They're expecting the bowler to be bowling in that region.
Oh, that's a clean strike. Clean as for 6. So just 2 needed in the slot, and away she goes over the boundary.
Yeah, when you're bowling too many slow deliveries with mid-off up in the circle, look where the bat ended. The follow-through, beautiful follow-through. And even if you get half a bat on the ball, this ball will travel. That 6 was 92 meters. Big hit.
That's picked away. India home and dry. 174 for 4. They win by 6 wickets. And they continue their domination over Pakistan in the T20 format of the game. It's the highest chase against Pakistan in T20 cricket. The previous highest, 160 at the G.